Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Angular Materials series. In this tutorial I will show you how to use Toolbar in your Angular project. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open the website material.angular.io. Then after that click on component. On the left side we have all the component and click on Toolbar. Once you click on Toolbar, okay, we have the code as you can see here. Click on that. So how we can use such toolbar in your Angular project? Very easy and simple. Click on that, copy one of them, okay, and open your Visual Studio Code, paste it in your app.component.html, okay, and then you should go to API tab and import Mat toolbar module in your app module.ts. You can import it here, and also you can add in your import area Mat toolbar module. Save it. Let's host the project by localhost. As you can see, that's how we can use Mat toolbar component in your Angular project. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.